my god. I don't even know like which eye I like. Girl, look at both my eyes. I can't even like... Which one do you guys like? Because honey, I don't even know which one I like. So today you guys, I went ahead and played with 2 different sets of eyeshadows, but they're all in one set. Actually, I never said that before. We are gonna go ahead and jump into the new Electric Nights holiday set from Morphe. We are getting ready for the holidays. We're getting ready for gifts. We're getting ready for new shades. We're getting ready for cool things. Stay tuned. Get some brushes. Get some of these colors that you guys have at home, and let's just kind of have a makeup battle and see which one you guys like. This one? It's crazy. Halloween just ended. Shane and Jeffree broke the internet. Everything's been crazy in the beauty world. It's just so much happening. I'm just honestly so ready for 2020. Lots of crazy things are happening. Lots of big things are happening for me and for you guys. I know you guys are very, very used to me starting off with no makeup because, you know, bitch, I love what I look like. And I have no shame on showing my flaws. And I want you guys to take that with you guys too, because everybody wants to look a certain way. It's just really, really, really high standards. I want you guys to know that my videos are really, really made dedicated to you guys. Honestly, we wake up in the morning, we start off looking raw, looking crazy, and then we end up looking like a butterfly. So that's why I like to kind of start off looking a certain way. But today, you guys, it's not about skin. It's not about how I got into my makeup. I have the new holiday collection Electric Nights from Morphe. It's crazy because Morphe teamed up with 4 amazing influencers. So the 4 beauty influencers is Bianca, Vicmram, Kaylee. Last but not least, 3. I think I'm saying her name right. Girl, I can't fucking read. This is literally, look how big it is. You guys, this, oh, I can't even hold it. This is the new Electric Nights. I love it, oh my god. I'm gonna set this down here and we're just gonna go ahead and break it down real fast. We do have mini little lip products, matte and a high shine gloss. So these look stunning. You guys, these nudes like are looking amazing. Nudes are like my go-to. It doesn't even matter what kind of nude it is, it's just nude. Morphe is known for the continuous spray. So here is the continuous setting mist. It repackaged, ready to go, ready to set the scene. The thing that I love about this is that it actually sets your makeup amazingly. It almost gives you like this nice pressed velvet finish. Here is the Pump Up the Glam. This is an 8-piece brush and bag. This is stunning. Like, this is something that I will put my brushes in. I love it. It's a good size because nothing I really hate more is when a brush set is just like, bitch, if that shit is the size of your fucking clutch, where are you going? The brushes are literally rhinestoned. I don't even like want to get these dirty. We have about 4 eye brushes, 4 face brushes. One that I do love is that I actually love these kinds of brushes. Like these ones right here are literally what I use for foundation. They're stunning. Now we're gonna jump into the mini set. So this is the Glance Party. So this comes with a 12-piece eye brush collection. So inside we do get 12 of these new brushes. So they are packaged. This is the new 39L Hit the Lights palette. As you can see here, it's super holographic. This looks like a very, very festive palette. It doesn't look so generic like the holidays. I don't want no palette with like a snowman on it. Like I won't use it. Compared to the 3503 Fierce by Nature, this is their recent one. I love the size. Look at the size, you guys. This is the size difference. So each influencer has 8 shadows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the bottom left is Kaylee. On the bottom right is Vicmram. So you guys get the point that it's kind of like very like that moment. All of the inspiration behind the shadows, they were able to name like the vibe of the 8 colors. Kaylee's vibe is holographic. Vicmram is After Party. It's more like EDC. Bianca is Code Red, and 3 is more smoke show. I do love that, and I love the fact that Vicmram was able to pick bright colors. A lot of people are scared to wear bright colors. I think they handpicked these colors. I'm not too sure. You know what it is? You can kind of tell by their personality and seeing like what colors they draw to and what they like. Honestly, if I was to look at this, I'm Team Bianca, bitch. Like I am Team Bianca, hands down. Y'all know. I love me a maroon or red undertone brown. It's my thing, it's my go-to. It looks good on me, okay? I think we need to do a little battle. So today we're gonna go ahead and battle Bianca and Vicmram. We're gonna play with these colors and see. I'm very scared. Something about that reckless pink and that green freaks me out. I'm gonna do my best because you know what? It's makeup. It's not if it's serious. If I don't like it, take it off. Let's get this going. For anyone that needs to know, we're gonna be working up here on the left side. That's Bianca's. And then on the bottom right, that's Vicram's side. So we're gonna go ahead and start priming my eyes because you guys know we gotta prime. I wanna make sure both eyes look amazing and executed right. But honestly, they're Morphe shadows, and Morphe shadows, they stay pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and bake underneath my eyes just to make sure anything that falls, we can wipe it away. So first, we're gonna go ahead and do Bianca's side. It's very maroon. It's very dark and brown and sultry. I love the vibe of this. So I already kind of know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this color. Let's go ahead and just get in the inner corner. I mean, the pigment is very amazing. I actually think the pigment is too good. So I'm just really getting this color in like that. Now basically I'm just really working in my reds, and there's like this dark brown. Let's go ahead and just really work that into the crease. Just really pinching my color very, very tight. I want to make sure like it's super blended, super tight, and it's where it's supposed to be. It's almost like circus colors to me. Like this looks like a circus tent. Oh, I wish there was a black in this. Now let's go ahead and get some shimmers on there. So there's a shimmer in here. That looks really dope. I love this little brush. Let's go ahead and just pinch some little shimmers in the inner corner. Oh, I love that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a highlight powder. In the middle, they do have 7 new shimmer shadows. So you can use this as like highlights. You can use these as topper shades. You can use this wherever you want to have that really, really pretty fine glow. And let's just go ahead and just tap it in the middle to make sure it's super light. I think we're gonna do a liner with this. There's a pretty white one in here, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like on my eye. It's almost iridescent. I honestly think because there is no black, how I'm gonna incorporate black is I think I'm gonna do a very different liner that I haven't done yet. So let's kind of see what that looks like. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a liner and I'm gonna wrap it on the inner corner. This is giving me circus. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a cat eye. So just like this. You guys, I kept talk when I'm doing liner. Okay. So I took the liner, I'm just doing like a mini little cat eye, making sure it's really black. And then now, I want to make this part really vibrant, because I want to connect that liner to my other side. Alright guys, so take that liner, connect it to the other side. Okay. This looks kind of cool. Now take a liner and liner underneath. Take one of the blank brushes and let's just blur out the liner underneath. I'm giving you like very Star Wars. Bianca, you should have put a black in your side. And I'm just taking that brush and I'm just really blurring out the bottom. Taking it and just really packing it into the eye. I'm just really giving you the blur effect. Alright guys, how's that? How's Bianca's side? Not bad. I feel like I'm giving you like very circus vibes. We just finished Bianca's side. So far I love the colors. The colors are very cranberry. I think it's stunning. I'm just taking it and blurring it out. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that red. Now I do love the red that she picked. It's almost like an apple watermelon. And I'm just taking that color again and just really blending out that black. Like I said, you guys, I'm just sticking to the 8 colors that they chose. I think this is pretty dope. It's almost like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Vicmram side. So we're gonna go ahead and do something entirely different with this one. I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't even know what to do. Let's go ahead. I mean, the colors that stand out to me the most is obviously the pink, the blue, the green, and the yellow. I'm gonna pick one. I'm not gonna put all that on my eye. Like, I just feel like that's a little too cray-cray. Maybe if we're going to like a nice music festival, but I just really think all 4 colors on one eye is a little too much. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tone it down just a tad bit. I'm gonna pick the yellow, the pink, and maybe somewhat the black and kind of see what that looks like. So I'm gonna take this pink and I'm gonna wrap it around my lid. And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut a crease, and that's where like the yellow's gonna go. Maybe I might even add the green. Alright, so I'm taking that pink and just really cutting that crease. And I'm just taking underneath. And then I took it really far from my waterline. I really want to do almost like a doll shape eye. Now, let me tell you something. It's actually very pigmented. I'm actually very stunned. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to take the green. I'm going to add the green. Fuck it, right? Who cares? Let's just get a little crazy. I'm going to add the green in the inner corner. I'm going to give you watermelon vibes. The green is pretty pigmented. I mean, so far I like this shape better. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and cut that crease. So a little bit of P.LOUISE, let's get that crease on. Okay, so I packed on that P.LOUISE. Take that bright yellow and just pack it on the lid. This yellow is very bright. I actually really do like it. I actually like love this color. And now taking a liner, and let's go ahead and give it a wing. Alright guys, so as that's drying, I'm going to put a little bit of this P.LOUISE on the bottom of my eye to make my eyes bigger. Wow, 2 different looks. I'm going to go ahead and tap on this frosty, really frosty color and just tap it on that pink. This frost in the middle, I want to make sure the green pops. That's actually really pretty. So we just finished this side. I feel like it's giving me like watermelon, Barbie, not Barbie. This is not Barbie at all. I would say it's really like tropical, like the pinks and the yellow. I don't know what kind of at the party we're going to. This side, I feel like it's dark. It's more of like that edgy. You guys, listen, this is only me using the 8 shadows that they're inspired by. Obviously on a regular person, you can use whatever. I thought it would be kind of cool to just kind of stay within the colors that they chose. Honestly, both sides, 2 different vibes. These colors right here, they're literally all shimmers. Honestly, this is a lot of shimmer. This is a lot of shimmer for me. Where it's just like, oh my god, what's going on? Now, I'm terrified of shimmers. Like, these are the shimmers that I'm kind of scared of. I'm actually gonna use this really pretty color for a highlight. I'm just gonna put it right here. That's actually really pretty. I'm actually mixing it with the lighter color, taking it with the fan brush, and just really keeping that color tight on the cheeks. So let's go ahead and add some blush on, and then just make sure we blend that out. Taking a little bit of this light color here, let's go ahead and pinch the nose. And it just kind of gives the illusion of like you have a pointed nose. See, it's just kind of like pointed. And I just do a little bit on the bridge. Let's go ahead and set the face. Alright you guys, so lashes are on. This is very different. It's very interesting. I'm kind of feeling this side more, and I think it's because it's dark, but then I'm not mad about this side. Now in the 8 shades, if there was a darker pink, something that's not so monochromatic or like just a flat pink, I would definitely have blended this out more. But you guys, I'm sticking to the rules. Listen, sometimes you just gotta play with what you have. So like, this is it. This is what I'm working with. I can usually blend out a liner. Ooh, that might be a good idea. Let's blend out a liner, because I feel like this side needs something. What the hell's going on? So let's just go ahead and line the bottom. I just kind of lined the bottom a little bit, and then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little blurring brush. That looks better. I feel like that looks a little bit better. So basically what I did is I took a little bit of black and I just lined up on the bottom, and I just kind of blurred out with the black that he gave in his 8. I think this is a pretty awesome eye. It's really like summer. I'm getting like hot girl summer vibes. So now it's time for lips. We're gonna go ahead and use one of the nudes from the holiday collection. I know for a fact I'm gonna love all of them. Just by like looking at this, I think I'm probably gonna do like this one. They're so cute. They're like tiny. You guys look at, they're like literally baby ones. So cute. I'm more excited about this in the palette. This is so cute. Let's go ahead and take a lip liner. I've been loving Sugar Pie from Morphe a lot. It's my favorite nude liner. And I just take it and I just kind of shape my lip. Look at it. It's like the perfect nude. But I also say that about every nude. Alright, so you guys, I'm just taking that liner, blending it in. And now I'm taking this lip. So this color is called Taunt. Oh my god. Oh my god, that color is so pretty. I actually don't think I have this color. I don't think I have this color in my office. Shoot, that's pretty. Wow, that is stunning. Alright guys, all done. Now what do you guys think? Are you guys gagging? I mean, obviously the lip is stunning. Like, look at this. It looks like this is like the good side, this is the bad side. Like this side's like, oh my god, I want to go out. This side's kind of like, I want to stay in. Totally opposite. At this moment, usually I would go get a wig, but we're gonna celebrate my baldness. We're gonna make sure you guys can see the makeup, see the gorgeousness. Look at this side. Which one do you guys like? Can you guys tell me? I really like this side, but I need to be a little bit more like, oh my god, Kimora looks good. I need that. So on this side, I like it because it's dark. I like this futuristic liner. Now, would you guys like me to do this liner more often? What about this fucking lip? You guys, this is called Taunt. T-A-U-N-T. Honey, work. I need it in my life. Actually, I need the full size, so there is the full size. So I want to know, are you guys team Bianca? Are you guys team Vicmram? Which one? I'm going to check out the comments down below. You guys, I had so much fun unboxing the new Electric Nights holiday set from Morphe. These are great gifts. I mean, girl, this is stunning. I like really want to push this. In the meantime, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in and playing makeup with me. Get ready for part 2 because, honey, we have another battle. I'll see you guys in a few days.